Welcome to Mr. McMahon live from my apartment. It's math time. It's math time. It's math time. Oh yeah. Today we are going to find out whether the pencil or the pen is longer. I want my friends to think about how we're going to be able to do that. Well, what Mr. McMahon is going to do is I'm going to be measuring the pen and I'm going to be measuring the pencil. And I'm going to put them down right here so we can get a little close-up angle. We have the pencil, or the pen, and I'm going to be measuring them with paper clips. Now, when I measure these objects with paper clips, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a starting line. I'm not going to put it in the middle. I'm not going to put it kind of like on one of the side. I'm going to start right here. So I have my first paper clip right there. I'm going to get another one. And I'm going to make sure that there's no gaps. Not like that and say, oh, this pen is 2 paper clips long. Nope. I'm going to put it right next to it. All right, we got 2. And we got 3. Now, I could put another one, but it's going to be an overflow, so that's not going to count. So I'm going to count out the paper clips. 1, 2, 3. This pen is 3 paper clips long. Now I'm going to be measuring the pencil. Oh, and it's staying right in place. So again, I'm going to start the paper clip right at the starting point, right at the end. I'm going to make sure that there's no gaps. And would you look at that? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This pencil is 4 paper clips long. So what does that tell us? It tells us that the pencil is longer than the pen. That's pretty cool. If you have paper clips at your house, what you can do is you can find different objects and measure them with paper clips. Make sure that you start at a starting point. There's no gaps in between your paper clips, and you don't go over with your paper clip with your object. I have some other things that I'm going to measure. I want to find out how tall this book is. So I'm going to leave it flat on my area. Let me get the right angle for this. There we go. I'm going to have to put my book back and measure it. So I'm going to leave it like right here. There we go. And I'm going to get, instead, I can measure with other things. What are they going to be? Well, let me just make sure it's all good. I am going to use cubes. So I've put it right there. I'm going to put it at a starting point. And they're right at the start, but you know what I'm looking at? I'm looking at this one right here. Now we can get a better angle. And you know what? I think it matches up evenly. So I'm going to count how many cubes this book is, how tall it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This book is 16 cubes tall. That's pretty cool. You know what, friends? What you can do is you can find objects at your house to measure. You can measure how long they are or how tall they are with many different things. Make sure that when you're measuring, you have a starting point, and then when you put the things to measure, like paper clips, cubes, any sort of thing, that there's no gaps. And if you go over, then you just have to take away that object that you're measuring with. So my friends, you have some workbook activities for you to work on. So thank you and have a good time.